All right, guys, first break of the night is going to be break number 2 of our Hit Parade Series 4 autographed collegiate football helmet. This is break 18, or box 18 out of 100. You've got a Patrick Mahomes autographed helmet in here. There's some other huge names as well. So all collegiate, which means we're going to use this as a last name letter break. So first letter of the last name is what we're going to use. So we're using 20 total last name letters. Rick, you've got 4 spots in this. Danny's got 1. Barry's got 1. Jason J with 2. Donnie's got 1. And Alan closed us up with that last spot. So we're not using Q or X or V or any of those rando numbers. Just the 20 best. So if we do pull one of those, then we'll just randomize it and somebody will win that. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the letters 5 times. We've got a few more of these that will hopefully break here over the next few weeks. And as always, you guys hit me up. Let me know, especially with the new month starting for October. Let me know what type of stuff you want to see for our monthly giveaway. Maybe we can do another blowout mega mix. All right, guys, here is your list of letters. Alan, you've got last name letters D and N. Barry with W and B. Danny's got L and J. Donnie's got G and M, if we can pull that Mahomes, man. Jason with S, F, E, and A. And then Rick, you've got C, Y, T, K, V, H, R, and P. All right, so there are your list of letters. Remember, it's first letter of the last name for this one. All right, box 18. Oh, we got a Oregon Duck. Doesn't look like it's going to be a Justin Herbert. Number 21. Well, cool. We don't know who that is. It's PSA authenticated. Usually they got the name here. Now they got a random number. So we'll have to, oh, there it is. All right, it's going to be a scrub name. It's going to be a LaMichael James. And he was nothing. Last name letter J, Danny, that's coming to you. So that is what you call a filler. So that sucks, man. Not one of the big names for sure in that. But I do have other boxes of this. We'll try another one of these coming up next week. So be on the lookout for that next one to go live on the site.